Valentine's Day is all about love. Every year, people around the world shower their special someone with gifts and romantic gestures. All in the name of showing how much they love the special someone in their lives. This Valentine's Day, we at Play Unlimited invite you to show love to those in need, in a tangible way by giving them the gift of safety, rest and comfort. Purchase these IKEA product bundles, and we'll give them on your behalf, as a tangible form of love this Valentine's Day to vulnerable children and families in need of such furniture. IKEA had given us these new furniture items for resale. They donated these items to us for our Replay Community Toy Libraries fundraising initiative. We have given away some items to recent flood victims and NGOs, and we still have items for resale. Proceeds from this sale go towards supporting children affected by recent floods, and also the setting up of community toy libraries for marginalized urban and rural poor communities, providing play and learning resources to children. Let's celebrate Valentine's Day differently this year, by making an impact and helping those in need. Go to our website at www.playunlimited.co/shop to purchase the IKEA product bundles or any of the other items, so we can give them away as gifts, spreading love among the most vulnerable in our community. Visit www.playunlimited.co/shop today.